Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome, YouTube TEFS traders. Welcome, VIP room traders. How are you today? Last trading day of the week and crazy week ahead or behind us, I guess ahead us as well. But behind us, definitely a huge red week for the market again. And traders, it is official. S&P 500 just slipped into a correction territory, just followed completely the triple Q. Hi, Clifton. Good morning, team. Hi, everyone. Please just let me know if the sound is okay. Hopefully, it's not going to be a problem here. So, well, Friday, big red week. Let's see whether we can see a dead cat bounce. Finally, yesterday, as I was mentioning to you, this start of a consolidation. It's not a consolidation anymore because yesterday on the again the renewed or not renewed because these tariff fears are all over all the time. So I must tell you that this is definitely a big problem for the market. I mean, the tariffs itself. A reason for that, it's always changing. As I mentioned you, it's always like Trump imposing some tariffs, then of course we will get he will get another retaliate from the countries, and again and again and again. So it's just rinse and repeat, and the market is still extremely nervous, as you can see, because all of these steps are just increasing the fear of recession, the fear of higher inflation, the fear of Fed is going to give up on the rate cuts. So this is actually a very fragile time at the moment on the markets. Hi, Miguel. Hi, Brian. Good morning, everyone. So again, just for the newcomers, the new ones who just joined the stream, first of all, welcome on the last trading day in the TEFS Trading Room, and second, officially the SPY just entered into a correction territory. Also, the pre-market looks much better for the SPY and the triple Q2, but if we just check this week, traders, 4 red days in a row, and yesterday again it was a huge red day because of the tariffs. Seems like the market does not care at all about the good economic news, like CPI and PPI just came better than expected, even unemployment claims. And today, by the way, we will still have some economic news released 10 o'clock. Sorry, we will get consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So this is going to be the 10 o'clock news on the market. Traders. We can just expect a small turbulence around 10 o'clock, so please be cautious. Hi, Nitsa, nice to see you. Oh yeah, Friday, it's your day. Be careful, market is crazy, crazy, crazy. As you could see, good morning, Lee. All right, traders. So again, to economic news at 10 o'clock, and in the headlines, I'm still watching and actually just read some articles which are going into the details whether this correction is heading to the end, or this is just a start of something more deeper red and more nasty on the market. Well, I would say, traders, we will see it soon. Sorry. So far, though, no pullback. Look at that. Very steep red decline. We have not seen it since 2020. Indeed, it's just getting to this territory where we can call it it's another steep 2020 drop. For that, we need a 10 more cents indeed. Well, maybe it is in the cards, especially if these tariffs are still going to come and go here. I mean, from other side to the other side with answers, because so far seems like there is no stop. Well, in the meantime, traders, not everything is in a correction, because the gold just stopped $3,000 level, traders, crazy. And the Bitcoin in the meantime pulled back again around this 80K level. Now it's back around 83,000. Nice pullback on the Bitcoin today, traders. So I'm going to watch even CoinMara and MSTR. Hi, Tara, Dor, nice to see you, everyone. Okay, so headlines, what else in the headlines and what the rest of the stock exchanges made. Europe pulling back, Asia beautiful green, especially the Hang Seng 2.21% higher. So that's a great one. And as I mentioned you, even the crypto and the futures are making a nice move. The Nasdaq at the moment it's higher with like 0.84% and the SPY almost a 1% traders. Nice bounce. Question whether it's going to last after the opening bell. In the international news, well, European markets rise as Trump tariffs remain in focus, as we know. However, excuse me, again, a bad news for the especially German auto industry. BMW posts a 37 drop in annual net profit, warns of subdued Chinese demand. Out. Okay, Trump's tariffs could push US allies elsewhere, including China and India. Well, yeah, that's in the cards for sure. What else here? Oh, yeah, well, the ceasefire talks are improving between Russia and Ukraine. That's a good news. But let's see, because it's Putin, so who knows what's going next. Putin wants direct US talks before Ukraine ceasefire, but says he's open to deal in principle. So that's already something in what I call an improvement, traders, but we are still not there for sure. Hi, anticipator. Good morning to you. Okay, Ferrari news. What else here? Not too much indeed. We have some big movers, of course, that we are going to watch. And again, for the newcomers, welcome. Have a beautiful green trading day. Also, just to let you know, the SPY just entered into correction territory after the Nasdaq yesterday, but now we see a small bounce. And let's see what it is on the watch list today. In the meantime, traders, I'm just repeating myself as every day. If you have any questions regarding TEFS challenges, TEFS funded accounts, private mentorings, VIP room membership, anything like that with Scott, DVG, and Amir, please just let me know in an email, which is agi@tefs.com. And of course, if you do feel like struggling with trading, this is me as well who is going to take care of you and help you, hopefully. So agi@tefs.com, I'm waiting for your emails. All right, traders, so let's see the biggest movers. And please, if you have anything on the radar, just let me know. I see Chipotle on the news. The stock is just 2% higher after receiving a nice upgrade to a buy from hold at Loop Capital. Buy is a quite of a strong upgrade, so I like this news on CMG. Let's see how does it look like on the daily. And the reason why the firm just did this upgrade on the stock believes its recent pullback has created an attractive buying opportunity for investors and said that the name is good for managing risk related to President Donald Trump's tariffs. That's a really good news. And if we just check this CMG, there is no doubt it's just touched some very strong resistance levels, especially under this $50 level. So let's see whether this move can continue lower, or they are right, and this beautiful pullback on the intraday can continue higher a little bit. CMG, I don't say it's a bad mover at all. Also, I am a bit afraid if the market is going to give up again, it can be in trouble. But CMG, I'm just going to call it to the long side. Hi, Martins. Good afternoon to you. I wrote you. Please read it on the WhatsApp and do it as I asked for. Okay. All right. Secondary list and the short list. So traders, if you have anything on the list, please just let me know. Let's see the next one in the row. Hi Todd, in the meantime, good morning to you. Nice to see you. So we are just talking about the big movers for today. And the next one on my list, it's a Rubrik. It is a data management company, RBRK, popped 18%, beat the Wall Street expectations on the earnings. Nice job, Rubrik. Let's see whether it can just continue higher with this pullback. Well, it looks like as an interesting candidate, but let me just check the pre-market volume because that's okay that we are just stretching higher. Pre-market volume is 111,000, not bad. Let's just call it to the long side. So RBRK to the long side. Next one on the list. Let me just check it. Next one is going to be the LI Auto, which just got a earnings traders on the LI before market open, and seems like that this was not the best earnings, down 3.80%. 6% fell after the company posted a decline in its fourth quarter next profit. So LI just can go to our short side. Next one in the row, it's ULTA Beauty. The beauty retailer 7% higher as the fourth quarter results beat the expectations. Well done, ULTA. Let's see how does it look like in the pre-market. Nice. Volume is not that strong. It's very extended stock to the downside. So I like this bounce. Question whether it can just pick up in volume. If it can, I think this can be a great long candidate for the day because it's really extended to the downside. But I really need the volume. Reason for that is if you just check it, the price especially, it's a $340 stock, which is, in my opinion, it's not enough to show a $41,000 41,000 volume in the pre-market. We need a little bit more, and then let's see whether it can just proceed with beautiful pullback. ULTA goes to my long list. DocuSign, PagerDuty, and Semtech still in the row. DocuSign coming 9% higher after the fourth quarter. Results beat estimates, so I'm sure I'm going to put it on my long list, but let's just check it on the daily chart too. And as I mentioned you, let's just post on your side if you have anything interesting. I love Doku very much indeed, especially on this 200 EMA reversal. Hi, Andrew. Happy Friday to you as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Of course. I like to do it, you know. Okay, guys. PagerDuty next. Shares of data company gained 4.8% after PagerDuty reported a strong earnings. Well, let's see how does it look like now after this great news on the PD. PD at the moment, it is on the verge of a pullback. I like it. Also, I must tell you, it's not a big mover. We just cannot expect this to see dollars to jump. So PD on the long list, but let's see. I'm not going to wait like $20 to see here. If it goes like $1, $2, it's going to be great indeed. Next one and the last one, at least on this list, is Semtech. Semtech is a semiconductor company, as you know, SMTC, which is just jumping 12.1%. What a gap to fill on the daily. Look at that, guys. I really like it. But the question whether it can continue after this, as I've seen, Excel is just on the leaders again, which is a good news, actually 4.75%. So it's leading the NASDAQ on a bounce. Question whether Apple is going to finish this unbelievable bleeding after day after day after day. I'm just going to check it soon. But first, if we are just checking Semtech with a high, quite a high pre-market volume over 100K, I love it to the long side traders, especially because of this really significant, huge, large gap to fill back to this $50 area. I don't think so we will feel it today. Let's see. No, never say never, especially in this market environment, but highly likely not. I'm going to be happy though to see this stock back to this $41 area. That would be a nice move from this SMTC. I really like it. And as we were just talking about the semicon stocks traders, let's just check NVIDIA, MU, and the others. So NVIDIA yesterday, again, it was holding nicely though. In the meantime, the market was going down. So I'm going to keep an eye on NVIDIA today. It's over 118, but 120 is the 200 EMA, so let's be careful. MU, I'm going to check SMCI. MU, nice. Wow, that's a move. MU 2% higher. Nice, $97 area. Again, 200 EMA in the as the first resistance in the way. And I'm just going to check SMCI because I've just seen some predictions in this to drop more. Well, I mean it. If yeah, if it's going to break this $39 again, it's going to be in a trouble. But now it's going to start with a quite of an inside A. But let's see if it can just move over the pre-market highs, and especially this 41.15, which is the 20 EMA. So I'm going to keep an eye on the semicon stocks, and especially AVGO, because AVGO was quite resilient on this to this weak drop. You see, it's just holding so nicely. So I like especially AVGO. Lee, your stock, it's just going to be on my watch list. Yes, it's an AAOI. I'm just going to check it. I just put AVGO to my long list, and let's see AAOI, which is applied optoelectronics, which is jumping a lot. Yes, you are right, a little bit too much for me, but we can just watch it on the secondary list, in my opinion. All right, and let me just check the watch list now. Which one is strong? Which one is weak? Well, the only red one on my watch list is the SQQQ, which is the inverse of the TQQQ. But if I'm checking the losers, well, let's see what I just get here. ABT, it's done. We are on A, it's not a good mover. Okay, TMUS is down as I see too. GIS is down. SRPT, it's a biotech stock which is just moving down, but not too many shorts on my side traders. Of course, anything can just, change in a 1 second. So let's be just careful with this market. But so far, seems like that this pullback is serious. Chinese battery giant CATL post annual revenue drop ahead of Hong Kong listing. This is a break of the news. And if we are just talking about Hong Kong and the Chinese stocks, let me just check BABA, which looks like it's on a bounce, and PDD, and not just BABA and PDD. I'm going to keep an eye on that, but even coin, and as I mentioned you, the Bitcoin related stocks, because in my opinion, if Bitcoin just could make a 4% pullback already over this 83,000 level, let's see whether the coin is just can make the same move. So coin PDD is still going to be on my watch list. And if I'm just checking the big tech stocks, let me just check. Microsoft strong, Apple finally in green. Oh wow, that was the time, just to stop bleeding, or so it still can continue. Look at the Apple traders. 1, 2, 3, 4 huge red candle in a row, and seems like, as I mentioned you yesterday, if the 215 is not going to stop it, 210 is the next. Actually, yesterday it was even breaking the 210. 208.70 or 60 was the lowest point. Well, let's see if it can just do a bounce. My strongest on the watch list are Shopify, ARM, PDD, SMCI, UPSD, PLTR, guys. PLTR definitely on my secondary list too. PLTR, Hood, Roku, Mara, Coin, Roblox, Tesla, Uber, Meta, Netflix, and the others, even Oracle 1.45%. So it seems like nice and green day, but the question again, whether it's going to stay, this enthusiasm from the bull side, are they back, or this is just a dead cat bounce again, and we do continue. As I mentioned you, for the whole week, I'm still expecting a small bounce, but I'm still not sure that this is going to be a reversal. I feel like it's just going to be a bounce. If it's going to happen, depends a lot on the updates on the tariffs. And don't forget, 10 o'clock, we will get the economic news. So this is my list for today, traders. Only one stock to the short side, which is LI. As I see, there is a CVNA, it's DVG's list, I think so. So I'm just going to post you the list of mine, and I'm going to leave you VIP room traders for Scott and DVG to trade and have a beautiful green day. After that, a fantastic weekend, and I'm going to see you on Monday. So bye everyone, and see you on Monday. Bye team, have a great day. Okay, YouTube traders, I am here for you. Here it is, the list. I have not forgot today. So CMG, RBRK, ULTA, Doku, PD, SMTC, AVGO to the long list, and secondary AAOI, Coin, BDD, and PLTR. Hi, Mayor. Thank you. Good morning to you. Okay, guys, so let's just go and get our watch list here. Well, I'm going to definitely change DG here. DG was a beautiful winner yesterday. I really hope you took it, this $78 level where we called, and CMG is definitely on my watch list for today. TQQQI and TCTSM, I'm going to leave it for sure. Adobe was a huge mover yesterday to the downside. Fortunately, I missed it because it did not give any chance in the beginning of the day. Today, I'm not sure I want to check it. I'm rather going to focus on the new stocks, and especially I would say ULTA, which looks like as a great even bottom reversal on the daily. So that can be an intensive mover. Also be careful with the ULTA traders because this can be a little bit spready here. Very high price on this stock in my opinion. Okay, PLTR, as I mentioned, you are watching Meta, Microsoft, Tesla, NVIDIA, Coin, 2, and SMTC on my side too. I mean on the long side. As I see, by the way, DVG called CVNA to the short side. Scott called only LI to the short side. So CVNA, yeah, I see why he just called it. It looks like though a bit extended for me. Usually traders, what is the characteristic of the 200 EMA? I have seen thousands in my life. Indeed, at least since I'm trading, of course, and not always, but highly likely, usually the stocks are bouncing back to retest the 200 EMA. So this is my theory behind the market bounce too. Might it's not going to happen at this time, especially because of this very fragile geopolitical and macroeconomic environment, indeed, and because of that, though I'm going to be cautious, but CVNA, I don't know, it's just starting with a nice gap up. Volume is quite okay, not the best. Well, let's see. If the market is turning around, traders, everything is going to go down indeed. So let's just keep an eye on this CVNA too. We have a lot of big movers. Okay, what else on my watch list? To the secondary list, I just mentioned AAOI, Coin, PDD, PLTR, and PD. Like PagerDuty, not my favorite, but we can watch it. And one more on the long side, which I mentioned, the strongest stocks on my stock on my watch list is Shopify trader. Shopify is up 3.64% now. So a very extensive move to the upside, and I love this reversal on the daily. We have several stocks touching or even under the 200 EMA. And today I'm going to make a video of a short video for our YouTube channel and Instagram of my two favorite swing picks for next week. So I'm going to watch them, and I must tell you, one of them it's on my watch list already. So actually, Shopify doesn't look bad either for a possible bounce, but everything is depends definitely on the market traders and on the news how this tariff war is going to escalate more or hopefully not, and in this case the market is going to react accordingly. And don't forget, next week huge week because it's going to be FOMC Fed week, especially Wednesday. So let's see how the market is going to be ready for that week with today. This week, nothing to complain about. I hope for you to it has just a similar results than myself. I had a beautiful green week, of really good 4 green days in a row, and I really hope that this is going to stay today as well. As usual, I'm going to be cautious because, as you know, it was a huge dump on the market. And again, I'm still not sure whether this is over at all. So let's just be careful today as well. All right, traders. So let me just check the market here. Nice. It's not moving too much. SPY is still 0.94% higher. That's good. Triple Q 0.80s. And Scott already likes SMTC over 37, Rubric over 68. And I think he's still going to call more. Todd, yes, definitely MSTR is going to be on my list. There is no doubt that we need to push it or not. MSTR coin Mara, all of them, it's on my list for today because even the Bitcoin, it's making a very nice push to the upside. Traders, 2 minutes to start. Be cautious though, especially because of the fact that we are still expecting two economic news at 10 o'clock, so it can shape the market prices and shake it. But so far, the bulls looks like determined to push back this market. And again, like yesterday, which unfortunately on the mRNA, I had a small loser, but I'm going to watch mRNA 2 for today as well. Oracle looks very much ready for a small reversal at least. mRNA, though, it's up 1.92%. That's a good one, but let's just be careful with this one too. All right, traders. So MSTR, I'm just checking. One thing with MSTR, Todd, you know the only rule with MSTR, not low volume, low share size, okay? We need to see a low share size there, but MSTR looks like a perfect VWAP reversal. Maybe we will find a VWAP reversal as well, but this purple line here on my daily chart, it's a 200 EMA reversal. I really, really love 200 EMA reversals for the swing especially. Okay, traders, so far nice start, nice pump in the pre-market. Again, the question of the day, and especially the beginning of the day, whether it can last at this time and it's not going to be a nasty sell-off as yesterday. We will see it soon. Good luck, everyone. Today I'm going to trade with you again until like 11, and after that there comes the well-deserved weekend for us. In the VIP room, we have Scott and the DVG today. I have not seen Amir yet, unfortunately. Hopefully, he's going to join soon. And tech stocks looks like the best ones. In the meantime, I have another watch list, and there I see Visa, PepsiCo, and KO, Coca-Cola to the short side. I mean to the weak side. Not sure that I'm going to short them, but these look like quite of a weak ones today. Just started, traders. Good luck, everyone. Okay. Nice moves here. Oh, here is Amir. Good. Good, good, good. Nice. Resilient mindset. This was the word of Amir. Okay, guys, as usual, he's just calling MU here. Market is just moving nicely higher. I'm still watching this SMTC2. It's pushing higher nicely indeed. So I'm going to push and watch this one. He likes AOI as well, by the way. It's on. I'm still waiting whether this market can push higher. Definitely, this can be the sign here. Okay, nice start for the market. Again, still the question whether it can stay like that and push it higher. Tesla pushing higher now, which I like. SMTC just pulled back a bit. And again, we should not forget that we will have a 10 o'clock news. Okay, traders, nice moves here. Now the even Apple is moving higher. Triple Q, DVG likes NVDA. Meta paying dividends today. Thank you, Lar. Nice to see you. Small share size, especially before the 10 a.m. today, that's for sure. Yeah, inflation expectations, consumer sentiment just can make a break here. Okay, so let's see this SMTC. Everyone is just watching at the moment. CMG and VDA is breaking down. CMG, nice. Yeah, actually, even DVG is a bit afraid of the sell-off, which I completely agree. Looking about this or on this AVGO2. Okay. All right, traders. So seems like market is starting nicely up indeed. And let's see whether it can just continue higher. ULTA looks like as a great gap and go reversal. In the meantime, market is moving higher too, especially Google as I see. I like it. NVIDIA really broke out. But this ULTA, as I mentioned you, it's a very extended stock to the downside. I very much like it for a possible reversal together with CMG. Which one should we? And AVGO over the high. I feel like the market is able to pull back a little bit now. So first of all, well, I think I'm going to call AVGO traders over the high, which is 197 and 10. This is going to be my first trade. AVGO 197 and 10. Stop loss under 195 and 70. So watch out here. A bit more than $1 here. Is 14 is going to be my entry here. Okay, 14, 197.14. Let me just check Tesla here. Ooh, CMG, that's nasty. SMCI I'm watching. SMCI is just playing higher, lower. mRNA, which I'm still watching. And actually, I like mRNA traders over 35.51 as well. Lower share size, everything. We are very much now 56 is going to be my entry. 56. 56, it's my entry traders. Okay, so I'm waiting for mRNA and I'm waiting for AVGO. This SMTC is just moving lower as I see. I did took mRNA stop loss traders under 35, so I would like to see a first partial around 36. Nice. Come on, mRNA. Come on, mRNA. Go, go, go. 20 more cents to take the partial here. AVGO has not entered yet. Um, PTON, it's watched by. Oops, this is not the one what I wanted. Okay. Doku I'm watching too. I almost took a partial traders and mRNA. Almost Doku just could not give a chance. SMCI broke out. This NVDA is amazing traders. It just not giving a chance at all. In the meantime, Triple Q beautiful mover. Apple is moving finally too. Um, Unfortunately, this SMCI I was thinking on this 4120s, but no chance. Okay, traders. AVGO entered, NVDA running. Hopefully, it's just going to run nicely. Okay, if you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. 199 is going to be my first partial on the AVGO. Come on, mRNA. Move, move, move. Sorry. All right, traders. mRNA is not doing the move. AVGO it's starting. ULTA, unfortunately, as I was just watching it for a reversal, is just failing completely. That's not good. That is not good. What else we have here? Nice. Triple Q on 477 now. Amir called AAY over 23 and 40, 23 and 40. My mRNA is still doing quite of a consolidation. Also, if it's breaking 35.20, I think I'm going to be out. And with that, mRNA is going to be on my ban list, in my opinion. It's not good, but what can I do? Not nice. Okay. ULTA, I'm still watching it for a possible reversal here. Okay, Disney is moving higher too. Nice. Come on, mRNA, don't give it up. AVGO is pulling back too. Also, that's interesting that the overall triple Q, it's holding. Triple Q holding, RBRK just broke out. Let me just check this AAOI. mRNA, you are going to be on my ban list. I took it with a smaller share size, but still not the best decision here as I see. Aye, that's not good. I'm still holding mRNA, but traders, this AVGO just pulled back. I'm still holding it. Stop loss just under the lows. So everything is so far okay. If you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. AVGO coming back. Hopefully mRNA is making a nice bottom reversal here. RBRK, it's making a nice bull flag, also not my favorite. AVGO doesn't look the best. Spine triple Q, sort of not my favorite day so far. I am surprised. I thought it's going to be better movers, and this AVGO is just tricking me. I have not played daily high breakouts for a while, and maybe this was not the right time to do it. Stop loss is going to be under 195.50 on the AVGO, and let's see whether mRNA is going to break this 35.10 because this is my max pain on this stock. Overall market still running nicely higher, but I'm completely disappointed, I would say. Amir likes this MU very much indeed. No, mRNA, no, don't do that. Don't go there. And it's going. Okay, not a very good change today or a choice today on my side. So one loser on mRNA, unfortunately. That's good. I took it with a lower share size, but still not a good feeling. And officially mRNA, guys, that's just a crap for day trade nowadays. So I'm not going to do it. Shopify checking it's on. Too late. Beautiful intraday breakout over 94.13, but it's too late for me now. I've seen Disney is very strong. Amazon Raspi checking. Hi, nice to see you here, but Disney is, yes, Amazon looks like a very nice reversal here. AVGO is still running traders. I really hope it's going to work out here. Amazon daily, it's not really good, so we need to see the market to push higher in the meantime. But I must tell you, this looks quite good. Okay, this ULTA it's coming back too. Guys, if I'm starting with two losers, I'm going to be very, very angry. I don't know when I made this last time. Come on, market. Okay, traders. In the meantime, PDD is breaking out. NVDA over 120. Amazon is breaking, so be careful. I keep an eye on ULTA too. In the meantime, this 340 level looks great. NVDA looks very good over 120. NVDA looks very good over 120. But only over 120. Or AVGO is still okay. mRNA, if you are still holding it, then stop loss, final stop loss 34.95. Don't hold it more. AVGO, it's coming back nicely. And even MU looks like as a possible great VWAP reversal. Overall market is pushing higher traders. And NVDA, I agree with the NVDA that this could be a nice mover here. Amazing this PDD and Chinese stocks are strong. How about this CMG? So be careful, NVDA only over 120, and I really hope that this AVGO is going to break the VWAP soon. All right, traders, so unfortunately first loser on mRNA, which is just making a reversal. So I should have just stick to my stop loss, but I must tell you I did not like it. Also, I like CMG. I really like CMG in the meantime. Not bad, at least. Especially CMG over this 49.75 traders until the market is going up. There is no reason to go short. So this CMG, I like it. Amir called IONQ over now. He did not even call it because I think he just missed it. Oh, beautiful VWAP reversal. Look at that. Fantastic. All right, traders. So I'm going to call not just CMG here, but even this ULTA looks good. PLTR checking. Yeah, this AVGO is just ridiculous, in my opinion. I can't believe that. I really can't believe this AVGO. And I'm afraid maybe the market is going to be pushed down as well. So let's be extremely careful, traders. Hard stop loss AVGO is going to be under this candle, traders, okay? Hard stop loss 194.5 and 40. I felt like I really need to take everything with a lower share size today. But based especially on the daily on the AVGO, I was not expecting that. Also, CMG, I still like CMG. Overall market, though, is starting to be a bit extended, well, compared to what, because it was just going down for days. But so far, not a good start for me. And if AVGO is going to be out, it's going to be my second loser in a row, which is extremely rare. So I am astonished. Not a good choices so far. I am not happy. Really hope you chose better here. With the stocks. That's crazy. Unbelievable. Come on, market. Soundhound. No, let's see Soundhound. This is strong today too. Okay, SPY triple Q in the meantime, traders is just making a bull flag. CMG, it's coming. I'm going to take it like here. Ooh, Soundhound, what a beautiful move. PLTR is strong, but we need a small pullback. CMG stop loss under, okay, 49.50, like 49.55. AVGO is dancing on the stop loss, with ULTA not doing anything, and MU it's making a nice VWAP reversal, traders, in the meantime. It was called by Amir and Scott as well. 1050, it's a very nice entry there on the MU if you were watching it. It's a nice VWAP reversal. He's watching even this NVDA over 120. Yes, Lar, MU, it's a very nice for a long. As I mentioned you, especially over this 10150. Overall market is still stretching higher in the meantime, and VDA just got over 120. Anticipator, we called it. I just had no time to write it in because my grid just collapsed, so I had to make a new grid here. Sorry for that. That's why I'm just making the templates now. So on the MU, I think it should break 102 to make a partial. AVGO is still hanging on a thread. CMG quite of okay. Let me just check Amazon, Meta, PayPal. Market is pushing higher, but so far I could not find anything really strong which is going with the market. Okay, guys, here comes NVDA. First partial 120.40. 120.40, and I still like this Amazon. I still like this Amazon. It's just made such a nice move here. 198.20, I'm taking Amazon. I like it. 198.20 can be a great Amazon play here if it goes there, because again, we are just talking about a crazy market, traders. Beautiful NVDA first partial done over this 120. Market is still stretching higher, but let's just be careful with it. A little bit. Oracle is strong. UPST hood. NVIDIA, beautiful. Well done with the NVIDIA. Even Apple, it's making a nice move now. Actually, traders, if we push higher, maybe MU over 102 can be an adding point. Tesla, though, is dropping. I feel like this AVGO just cannot go higher. That's so sad. Amazing. Baba, it's stretching higher too. It's on my list. It's unbelievable. Even ULTA cannot make a reversal. All right, traders, I missed this MU trade, but if it's breaking this consolidation high, I think I'm going to join you over 101.88. Can't believe mRNA just get back. If you are still in an mRNA trade, guys, stop loss should be hard stop loss under 35.20 now for sure. And let's see it can run. Market is just does it did pick a nice direction so far at least. But I must tell you, I was not lucky with choosing the best stocks today so far at least. Especially this AVGO. Lee, I don't like AVGO anymore. Sorry. Mm. You know what? If now it's running back to 200, might I change my mind? But so far, not my favorite. NVIDIA is very nice, traders. I think the stop loss should be now under this green candle's low, which is 119.80. 119.80. I'm going to be a bit more generous with the stop loss today because I mean, especially after the first partial, because as you can see, surprisingly, despite of the fact that the market picked a nice direction, I must tell you the biggest stocks, except of I would say NVIDIA, and there are some more, but are not running that nicely. Yeah, it tricked me yesterday also. You see. Sure. Okay, mRNA, I hate you. It's official. Amazon has not entered yet. Let's see if it can. And this CMG is just playing around. PRTR could be a good for a reversal, checking, watching coin as well. My video is just hanging on a thread. Oh, nice. Yeah, you are right. You know what? I just don't know whether the market can continue higher. I wish it could, but I must tell you that maybe the chance for that is not that high. I don't know. In this case, PRTR only over 85.05. LAR 80, over 85.05. That can be a nice reversal for the PRTR. Nice. All right, traders. In the meantime, market still stretching, but as I've told you, I just could not find extremely strong stocks, which I would say they just made the move. Netflix, I see here that it's stronger. The CMG is really not doing anything. MU, I have not entered to the MU. ULTA still looks interesting in my opinion, but very spready. Very spready. Overall market, it's very strange to say, but I don't like it. It's just I can see the sentiment on the market, but it's hard to find a stock where I see the sentiment, except of Nvidia and maybe Apple. PayPal is strong too. Yeah, but Apple is just tugged completely. Watch out with the Nvidia traders if you took. I hope and Two losers. I can't believe you, AVGO. Okay, AVG and mRNA on my ban list from now on. Amazon is not going to enter. PRTR, everything is just for a scalp traders. Everything is just only for a scalp, nothing else. And I can't believe I'm just going to have my first red day. No, I'm not going to say something like that because we still have time. But this AVGO just tricked me badly. And if the CMG is out, guys, I'm out of for the day. That I have not seen it for a very long time. Come on. Okay, that's not my day. And I still like the ULTA. I still really like it. Okay, it's I still could take trades because I just took half share size, so it means that I am out with a little bit more than 1 hour. But it's still, come on, CMG. It's still not a good feeling at all. What is happening with this market? Come on. Tesla is again moving down. It seems like just a rinse and repeat of yesterday. It's crazy. Soundhound is very strong. Maybe we should watch the lower price stocks, guys. Doku checking. Still like PLTR as well, but seems like the market sentiment is just turning around too. Yeah, but only on the VWAP reversal. Okay, Lar, and I'm not sure there will be any VWAP reversal today. I don't know. It's just nasty. And the market is coming back too. Can't believe it's going to be another nasty red day. The market is going to fail here on the highs. Can't imagine. Not nice at all. Okay, ULTA still looks tempting. I'm still holding the CMG. Doku coming back to the VWAP, PLTR touching the VWAP, ULTA looks very tempting. I just need to be very careful with my next trade. But over 33930, it looks like a great one. In the meantime, traders, Apple started to pull back, triple Q, so dicking, maybe TQQQ time here. And even the, here looks like the MU is giving up. Sorry. Oh, Scott is ready this morning as well. I'm not alone. Unfortunately, wow, what is this market doing again? 4 o'clock, okay, or 10 o'clock. I see. So that was the dead cat bounce traders, in my opinion. That was it. And now we are going to move big. And I'm out for the day. Seems like it's a short day for me, guys. CMG is going to be a very ugly win or a loser for me. I know, I know. I was so much astonished with this market that I was not paying attention to the time. That is nasty. Okay, so seems like traders, that's it for me today. I'm not going to continue trading. Of course, if I see any call, I'm going to call it. But unfortunately, this just gets me to the 3 losers. After that, I'm not going to continue trading at all. Very nasty day so far. Big reversal. Yes, I'm just checking the news. So my instinct that might finally this move and on the stocks as well, not just on the market, is going to work out. It did not work. So Friday, 14th of April, March. Yeah, consumer sentiment much lower than expected. Ouch. Ooh, guys, inflation expectations, that's crazy. It's just jumped with a 0.5%. So actually inflation expectations is higher from 4.3 to 4.9%. So this is causing this very nasty drop on the overall market. Not good. Not good. All right, guys, I'm just going to sit on my hands so far. So far, Scott is red too. I don't know about DVG. He did not say, but everyone was long. Amir is still holding MU2, so everyone was ready to long. Anyone called a short? No. SMTC long, AOI long, Coin long, RBRK long, that was a good one. MU long, IO1Q, TQQQ, yes, D King, hi. I don't know, you know what? Let's just wait a bit with this nasty market, okay? I'm afraid it's just still not over and we don't know yet what's coming next. But TQQQ, you called it under 58.80. It's building this consolidation now. Yeah, not a bad call. Maybe it's just going to be a quite of a scalp again, but looks interesting. And this ULTA is still so tempting, but I'm not going to take it. CMG, thank you. First red day in a long, long time. Yes, for me as well. Or you mean for myself or me? Yeah, I know. It was weeks ago, my last red day. Yes, I know, I know. This market tricked me today, guys. That's it. It's trading. It can happen. For me, it's rare, really, because or unusual because really it's very rare when I'm having a red day. Doku, it's making the reversal here, though, traders. I still like it over 86. Oh yeah, the king, very much indeed. Okay, Doku looks like as a good one. Also, I'm not very happy about the volume on the red candles. Even PLTR is pulling back, and the overall market is pulling back, which is not a good, not a bad omen, but the sudden drop to the downside and the very disappointing numbers, I would say we should definitely have a trade on TQQQ as well if the market is moving lower indeed. But in my opinion, PLTR and Doku, they look like as a perfect VWAP reversals traders if you would like to take it. Yes, actually, even Amir called Doku over 87.70 and he called Tesla over 242.50, something like that. I would take it only over 243. 243 looks interesting on the Tesla bottom reversal. Overall market trying to make a bounce here. So far, CMG, shame on you. AVGO down to 195. mRNA back to 35.25. Amazon broke. All right, traders. So if you took PLTR, beautiful, you can take a partial around 85.50. Yes, maybe level two, maybe. Yeah, because actually now finally the Apple just woke up, went higher. Even now comes the NVDA back. Not too much though. Very nice on PLTR traders. If you took this VWAP reversal there, that was perfect. Doku still not over 86. Nice. Here comes PLTR first partial traders. Fantastic trade. And here comes Doku. Amir called Doku over 87.70 already. 87? I think 85 should be the 87, but you understand. Okay, here is the partial point on PLTR traders. Stop loss can be under 84.50. And maybe I'm taking this Doku. Yeah, Doku still can go. Ah, breaking my rule. Okay, SPY triple Q went back to the highs. Not bad, not bad, but we need more here. This is not enough. No, me neither. I don't know why. Not just because I'm having a red day, but it's just I just did not get what I was expected from this market at all. Ugly. Okay, traders, that's a good sign that the market pulled back already, but it's still easily can just roll over. Not nice. So Doku entry just over 86. Also, Amir took it 85.70 already. And now it's going to be the big decision point for the market, whether it's going to roll over or continue to a new daily high. Doku still looks good. CMG is just shame on you. Not going to watch it. Let me just check coin. Tesla rolled over too, so that was a nice small bottom reversal there. MU giving up, and VDA pulled back again from 120. PLTR perfect partialing point if you took it. It was really good. And yeah, that's a rollover, guys. Again, market just cannot stay strong. Amazing. And Tesla, look at Tesla. Seems like did not help to Tesla that Trump bought the Tesla. All right, traders, I'm watching this doc now and the overall market, whether we are going to start stretching lower or finally it can find a bottom here. But so far, market is pulling back again. And in this case, the king, I would say really TQQQ. Apple just giving up two traders. Yes, 60, I'm just checking. I don't know. Volume is not very convincing. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, PLTR was just a scalp, but still nice trade. And seems like traders, the overall market is just going to give up again. Maybe I would stay under this 59.80 dicking with this TQQQ. Not before. I still do not trust this market here. Now it's just making a reversal again. I don't know. I don't care. I don't get this market today at all. ULTA is still hovering around this 340. Microsoft. Checking Microsoft quickly. Yes, nice. Nice. Actually looks like the Tesla, also Microsoft is stronger, my opinion. Looks nice over 383 maybe. 380, 150. Like to the short side, you mean? Oh, short. Sorry, I thought it's a long. So long over 383, short, yes. 381. Agree. All right, traders. Market seems like could not make the move higher here on the Viva for the second time. That means that might we are going to see it lower soon. And if TQQQ breaking the 59.80, this can be a possible short scalp only Nothing else, just a quick short scalp. That's it. I'm on a breaking SPY back to the 50 EMA, triple Q2. Seems like it's going to be a full red week for the market if it just continues like that. Here comes TQQQ. It has not broken the 80 yet. Tesla, stress slides breaking the lows and filling the gap around 241. Ooh, big decision time for the market traders. TQQQ broke. 59.60 is the first partial. It's just a scalp. Apple completely gave up. SPY triple Q fighting around the lows. It's no doubt it's a very nasty news for the overall market, but I still just do not trust these market traders in neither direction. Beginning was nice, but it was hard, in my opinion, to find any stock which is just doing the move with the market. And now, after this nasty economic news, it's just not doing the right thing. I'm here watching AAOI. Tesla very much on the breaking downside again. Ugly. How about SMCI? I guess it's completely crazy today. Just take off this. No, SMCI is surprisingly holding here. Yeah, AOI, Amir likes it for an intraday break. Higher, by the way, or a lower, sorry. He is going to take it under 21.48 for the AAOI. He thinks it for a VWAP reversal. I still do not trust the market traders. Sorry, just not the market which I want to play. I am red. It can happen for big green days. One red day, it's okay. AVGO shortly. Now let's see this AVGO. It was an ugly one with me today. I don't know. Well, if it's breaking the lows, definitely. In this case, the overall market is going to stretch lower. So yeah. Apple is breaking lower. Tesla, though, has not broken yet. So in my opinion, AOI looks like it wants to go rather higher. Amir already took this AOI. He's losing on that at the moment. AVGO looks like it's a double bottom. And the Apple is breaking lower. So no idea what this market is up to at the moment. I think no one knows. But Apple is breaking lower again, traders. That's not a good sign for the bulls. PLTR made a reversal, Doku not doing too much. It did not break the 86. Tesla trying to bounce. Apple, though, is just cannot move. How about NVDA? NVDA, nice. Everything is just trying hard, but Sentiment is not there. Only sentiment is Apple is just going down. That's it, what I see. Big decision point is here, traders, whether we are going to make the fifth big red day in a row on the SPY, or something is going to save this market. Or so the economic news should have done this job, but they failed both. But this inflation expectation it's much higher than the previous data. That's scary. Consumer sentiment is not good either at all. But this inflation expectation it's really scary in my opinion. Okay, SPY triple Q are still making this consolidation. Triple Q consolidating. Apple touched 210 area. So this is the moment of truth, hopefully, or not. Scott likes IONQ. Oh, it just made another VWAP reversal. Everything is just a scalp today, traders. Seems like really. So if you take anything, please just go for a scalp. Like really, this 20-30 cents depends on, of course, price of the stock and the characteristic. But like by the TQQQ, only like 15-20 cents, and that's it. Because as you can see, the overall market is just not moving. Come on. No, ULTA finally over 340. It's like a snail. IONQ VWAP reversal in the beginning of the day. That was just beautiful, my opinion. Such a shame I did miss. And you know what's the nicest thing? Market just completely slowed down. RGTI, yes, you know what, the king, I've just seen the lower priced AI stocks are doing. So what the lower price stocks are doing better, in my opinion. And ULTA, of course, the one which I'm not taking, it's making the move. So much typical. All right, traders, almost 1 hour went by and the market is starting to be still very slow. TQQQ still suffering around this 59.80, but I feel like now you can get this 20 cents finally. Stop loss can be 60.10. Here we go. Come on, TQQQ. So PLTR was a scalp, TQQQ. Here we are. Here is the 80% off on the TQQQ traders. If you took it, as I've told you, I am banned from trading today, for today. And Doku, I'm still watching it, but TQQQ is perfect, traders. TQQQ was very nice. I hope you took it. Down was Microsoft as well. Yeah, overall market. So that was a good choice on the TQQQ. But as I've told you, just for this 20 cents, 80% out, stop loss 59.83, and let it run. Even Tesla looks interesting, but in my opinion, might we will see a small pullback here now. How about Roblox? Roblox is climbing back too. Okay, TQQQ, that was it. As I mentioned you guys before, position management for today, strictly just scalping. Tesla rejected on the lows again, but the market's starting to be nervous here too. Still no decision which direction to go. Even the Apple made a small bounce only here on this 210, but it's just making a move back again. Nice. Ion Q is strong too. Traders, we should watch the lower price stocks, in my opinion. They look nice. I mean, they do not care about the market itself too much. As you mentioned, RGTI, SoundHound was a beautiful mover too. This AOI should move too, but I think it's just moved enough. mRNA coming back too. So TQQQ is out traders. TQQQ PLTR, they were just scalps, but nice one. Nice on Microsoft. Very nice. Dicking. But it's over as well, right? Tesla is still fighting here in the meantime. SPY is on the VWAP now. Amir still holding his AOI short. He called it under 2148. Triple Q SPY, nice pullback. Yes, good. Very good. Yeah, this market is just for scalping traders. Tesla fighting hard to to show a small pullback at least. Look at that. MU, checking. Yeah. LAR, I would say about the VWAP or under the lows. We don't know yet which direction this market wants to get again. Apple, if it's breaking down, Tara, yep, everything. If they break the lows, traders highly likely we are going to go lower. Also, now the market showed some nice pullback. I'm still skeptic though that it can push higher. It's going to be a push definitely only if we see a new daily high maybe on the market. But I think this very bad economic news is just made a killing again on this market. Bulls, they tried hard, but they really failed. All right, traders, here is the time to ask you, how is your day going so far? And I really hope you are not in red like me. Wow. AVGO looks like as another great trade to the downside, in my opinion. Green, good decking. How about the others? Of course, only the ones who wants to share. Only one trade, more than enough. One loser for you, Dor. Small green, Tesla, nice level two. 65 cents into the red. Let's just call it break even. Okay. I am red. It's okay. Alemu red. Me too. Yeah, that was a surprising market. Also, I would still not surprised even in a pullback. Why? Because this market environment is totally unreliable. But I don't feel like I want to make the moves here. Doku is strong. Yes, I'm watching it over 86, Raspi. Tara red, sorry to hear that. Yeah, it was not an easy day today. So far, maybe it's just going to change. But Doku, I agree. It looks very nice over this 80, 86. Even Apple, it's making a pullback. SPY triple Q. SPY is fighting with this 558 level to break 557 now, but if you check, it's just making a small consolidation. But it's significantly slowed down. I think the market was expecting a little bit better news, maybe, to support the overall move. I mean the start of this nice pre-market move higher, but unfortunately did not get it. Look at that Tesla breaking down. Wow, that's nasty. These bulls are completely off the table now. Completely. Amir still holding his AAOI under 2148. He has not taken any partial yet. And I'm wondering what this Apple is going to do. Yes, level two. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. Also, NVIDIA fight hard today. Apple too, but you know what? Now Apple even joined to this move lower, unfortunately. IO1Q broke the highs. SPY triple Q fighting still. NVIDIA completely stuck to the VWAP. No move at all. Just check this Microsoft here. Apple, it's bouncing nicely though. Oh, I can't believe ULTA. The one which I'm not taking, it's going, of course. Shame on you. And on me. Okay, guys, if you took Doku, because this I forgot that I let myself to trade Doku half an hour ago and I did not get out my entry. So I'm going for 86.50 for a partial, like 45, because I don't trust the market, but around 45 it can be a nice partialing point. SPY pushing a bit higher now, that's a good news. Microsoft is making a reversal. Apple did it, but failed. All right, traders, here is the partialing point on the Doku. 86.43, 45. At least not that red. As usual, 75% off. What a day, what a day. And the pools are fighting harder here. Okay, trader, stop loss on the Doku just under 86 now. And Tesla, look at that level too. Tesla is still moving lower. Amazing. It was just on time to take this partial on the Doku. But look at the Tesla. It's just hovering around the lows. Amazing. If you miss the Doku partial, it's coming back. Okay, let me just check. What is the strongest stock? PLTR. PLTR is one of the strongest stocks. IO1Q. What a miss on that stock today. Yeah, PLTR still looks strong. NVIDIA and Amazon. Yes, level 2, it's trying since the morning. In the morning it was successful, but today it's a very tricky day again. Watch out on the Doku. 85.95 is the stop loss for the rest of the stocks here. And yeah, I'm watching this NVIDIA. Maybe these bulls just can get some strength back. I don't know. Depends on Apple, depends on Tesla, whether they can just pick up the speed here. Nice Doku. Go, go, go. We need a nice winner here. And Tesla is trying hard here, traders as well, like rejected 4 or 3 times the low, which is a good news. And this is Tesla. Stressla, another name. Tesla. All right, traders. So Doku hopefully is still going to push towards to this $87 level. That would be great. Overall market, yeah, it's staying nicely in this consolidation. It just takes a little bit too long and no strength, no sentiment, unfortunately. NVDA made low highs, so dangerous for long. Yeah, I agree. NVDA is completely, I don't like NVDA. To the long side, actually nothing. I think, or not think you Doku. Doku was the best, in my opinion, to take it for the long side. Amazon is pulling back too. Tesla still fighting on the lows. Still holding my Doku here. It's amazing how spready is Doku. Not always, but lots of times, especially before breakouts, you see? It's just ready for a breakout and the market depths, it's really spready. Okay, SPY, maybe it's going to roll over again. MU looks like it's going to be a short. Yes, barcoding mode. Yes, Tara. That's the best description for the market today. We need Powell to start the party next week. Yes, yeah. Even I must tell you, I miss even Trump. No, I don't miss him. I'm just kidding. We had enough bad party this week. Okay, traders, if you have not taken the partial yet on the Doku, this is just touching the 50 level, 86.50. If something is working. Amir likes Microsoft. And I must tell you, maybe this Tesla is trying so hard that might is going to bounce back. But I'm not convinced completely. Nice Doku. 87 is the second partial on the Doku traders. 87. Let's see whether it can break 87. Might I'm too greedy here. Hopefully. SPY is still just in a consolidation. Come on, Tesla. Make a V-shaped reversal. Help Doku. Doku high is 87.48, so might I'm going to check this 87 whether it can just break it through easily. It would be great. NVDA trying again with this 120. How about SMCI? Nice Doku, come on, break this 87, we need it. SMCI looks really strong, traders. I'm not going to take it. It was enough for me, but I don't know whether if the market really could just make this move higher finally, like decide a bit, and might it can be a good one. I don't know. Let's just watch it. Yeah, it's a great candle in the market. Microsoft was right with this intraday breakout, at least for everything, just for a scalp, of course, nothing else. Even Tesla, I was right with it. That might it's bouncing back to this 244 area. And I hope that even Doku is going to bounce over this 87. It would be a great winner in this case. Wow, Microsoft, that's nice. Did you take Amazon, Raspi? Nice, good. Yeah, market needed to decide now. It's just crazy. All right, traders, let's see second partial around this 87 with the Doku, and stop loss can go to the break even, okay? Here we are, 87, good. SPY is going to Amazon, great. Microsoft, fantastic. NVIDIA, slowly but steady. Even Tesla, trying hard, I would say. Last call in the VIP room, it was AOI under 21.48. Amir still holding it. And seems like this Doku was just right to take the partial here. Tesla, that's it. No more buyers. It's just got a rejection. NVIDIA getting to the highs. SMCI, rejection there as well. SPY triple Q still looks strong. Nice, NVIDIA. I was not expecting that from NVIDIA, actually. It's just pushing a little bit higher now. Not too much, just a bit. Microsoft and Amazon, these were great. Well done, Raspi. Which one was the other one? NVIDIA, you see? You were right with that NVIDIA indeed. Tesla is just, that was the short-lived bounce as I see, maybe even on the market. Apple just rejected by the VWAP too. You just check SMTC. Traders, don't forget to put your stop loss. Even I'm going to put it under 80, 86.30, because if it comes back, it's over in my opinion. I mean the The Doku. SMTC, it's completely no volume at all. And as I've told you, Tesla is completely giving up again. Ooh, that's not nice. Market as well, so it was a nice move to the upside, but it just stopped completely. Yeah, bulls are not in the best situation nowadays, in my opinion. Baidu, KO, and Pepsi are red at the moment. I cannot see any entry opportunity here. I'm just telling you as it's interesting, but that's it. Okay. Doku is still okay here. Why I put a stop order? It was by accident for the KO. I don't want to trade KO. Okay. SPY triple Q are forming a bull flag again. Nice, looks great. But just really miss the sentiment now from this market. PLTR is still in. SMCI is starting to be stronger now, as I see. Amazon still looks very good, Raspi, especially if it's going to break now this 197.20. That looks really good for a continuation. Microsoft does continue, maybe even NVIDIA over the highs. SMCI does nicely. And hopefully even PLTR will do it again. And Tesla is coming back. Oh, maybe the bulls are going to get out at the end of the, or towards the end of the morning session. They're shaking off the bad news on the economic side. Well, they are right. You know what? Like, there is no impact of the good economic news on Wednesday, Thursday, and now, of course, the bad news are just impacting the market like it should. All right, traders, here comes Doku. If you missed the second partial point, here it is again on this just before this $87 level. That's great, and seems like this pullback it's valid now, but I want to see a new daily high on the market first. And of course, it's just going to stop now, as usual. Apple bounced into the VWAP, as I see. NVDA and the rest of the other tech stocks are not looking that bad, especially Apple. If it could just break this 212 again, that would be a great help for the overall tech sector here. Stress law, it's coming back to stress out the traders. Okay, nice S&P 500, nice push, and great Doku. Doku trade, it's still going nicely, traders. Your Amazon call, it was perfect, Raspi. I'm really happy to see that. And I'm really wondering whether Tesla is going to be able to touch at least the VWAP. This stock just lost more than 50% of its value. Crazy. Nice. Doku just broke the $87 level trade. Stop loss is going to be under 86 and 50. 86 and 50. Unfortunately, Apple could not break the VWAP yet. The rest of the tech stocks are rather making a consolidation. Microsoft, Amazon are moving higher steadily. That's good. Tesla is fighting hard to get a bit higher, just a tiny bit higher. Not with a huge success so far. Just got rejected on this 244 level several times. Maybe not as well. Just rolling over. Come on, Doku. 50 more cents would be great to see. I'm not going to take any more partials. I'm just going to move my stop loss now. So under 86 and 50 is going to be my next stop loss on the Doku. Market still looks strong. Nice shake off of the bad news so far, but very, very slow. Very slow market. I mean, we had some great movers like Microsoft and Amazon. Nvidia is not that much, quite off. Now we need to see the break of the high on this market. Okay, nice Doku. Break the 87.20, please. That would be great to see. Come on. Apple is looking better now for a break over this 212. DocuSign, yeah. Just fighting with this 87, 20, 30 now. SPY triple Q are still moving higher, steadily higher, but very slow, fortunately. Microsoft, fantastic. Even Amazon is still going. This Tesla is just, it's a full misery today on the Tesla. Just watching this 244, I'm not going to take it, but this looks like as a really strong resistance for the Tesla traders. It's 244 level. Okay, SPY triple Q still not give up the fight. And seems like traders that the SPY really wants to break out at this time. Look at that. Nice, 560. Come on, SPY. Give a push for our Doku, please. All right, traders. I think it's just starting to be interesting on the SPY, especially if it really can break the highs here. I can't believe this ULTA is just making a $7 move since my call. Ah. All right, traders, come on, SPY, break out and push or Doku a 50 more cents before I'm closing the stream here for me, please. And actually, Tesla, it's impressive. We have not seen a pullback to the lows for a while. Maybe that means something. SPY, it's not that easy to break the highs. Trading is on for 1.5 hours, and this market is just made several moves higher, lower today. But not my favorite day, I must tell you. And I'm still in red. It's okay. Part of trading. And here comes the break on Tesla as I see, and hopefully on Doku too. Doku stop loss can go to 80, under 86.80. And then let's see. Okay, here comes the Doku traders. If you are still with a higher share size, there is the next partialing point. SPY triple Q could not break the highs yet, as you can see. And Apple got rejected, NVIDIA got rejected, Amazon got rejected. Surprisingly, though, the Tesla is trying harder now to break this 244. I don't think so. It's going to do it, though. Who knows? Maybe. Volume is not that bad. But Doku is great, $1.5 trade so far. I really like it. I'm just going to move my stop loss now under 86 and 80, and let's see whether it can go a little bit more higher. Traders, sorry I could not get you that really good trades as I should and used to every beginning of the day. This was like a red day for me. Well, Dokudo and PLTR was a good one, but I hope that you are going to end in green. One thing is for sure, be careful. This is a tricky day. Again, seemed like it's going to be a good day, even despite of a great push on the market higher. I could not find the best stocks which really showed the same sentiment as the market in the morning, but I'm not complaining. 4 beautiful green day. One day it was 5 winners in a row. Now I had 3 winners or 3 losers in a row plus 1 winner. So I am ending red. This is part of the game. But this is weekend. Spring is coming, sun is shining. No, it's raining, but it's okay. Tomorrow is going to shine. So I wish you a beautiful, beautiful weekend, traders. Stay safe. Have a great one with your loved ones, with the family. And don't forget, Monday, I'm going to be here at 9 a.m. as always. If you have any questions again regarding anything, trading, how to handle the losing days, which is not easy, even after so many years, but I got used to it. And please just drop me an email and stay safe. Thank you, Tara. Thank you, Humble Ninja. Thank you, everyone. Gracias, Raspi. Feliz fin de semana. Thanks, Anticipator. Bye, everyone. Take care.